Hi everyone, welcome to the allpays.co YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfers, Venmo, and many other payment methods in your OpenCart store with crypto payouts. In this video, we'll install the allpays.co payment plugin on OpenCart 2. The setup is similar for OpenCart 3 and OpenCart 4, and you can find those videos on our YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started. First, download the allpays.co OpenCart plugin from the allpays.co website or from the OpenCart extension store. After downloading it, go to your OpenCart admin dashboard. On the left menu, open Extensions, then click Extension Installer. On this page, click Upload and select the plugin zip file for OpenCart 2. The installation will start automatically. When it finishes, we need to refresh modifications. Click Modifications on the left menu, then click Clear first, and after that, click Refresh. Next, click Extensions on the left and choose the Payments category. Here you'll see allpays.co OpenCart Payment Gateway. Click Install. Now the plugin is installed. Next, we'll set it up and make it active on the storefront. Click Edit, and you'll be redirected to the allpays.co plugin settings page. There are a few settings here, so let me quickly explain them. First, status must be enabled to use the plugin, so I'm selecting Enabled. Next, you'll need a Polygon Network wallet address or another EVM-compatible wallet address. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can create one using a wallet app like Now Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or another EVM-compatible wallet. Allpays.co usually processes settlements on the Polygon network. However, depending on the provider or your customer's country, payouts may also be settled on USDT Ethereum or another Ethereum-based network. The good news is that one EVM-compatible wallet address can receive payments on networks like Polygon and Ethereum because they use the same wallet address format. Now, paste your wallet address here. Next, choose who covers the provider payment fees. These fees are charged by the payment provider and are not always fixed. They may change between 0.5% and 6% depending on the customer's payment method, country, or selected provider. If you choose Merchant, the provider fee is included in the total and covered by you. If you choose Customer, the provider fee is added on the payment page and the customer will see it as a provider fee. Here you can also add an extra fee or discount to the checkout total. This is different from FeePayer, and it will be visible to your customer as an extra fee or discount on the OpenCart checkout page. For example, you can add a fixed fee or percentage fee to share processing costs. Or, if you want to give a discount, just add a minus sign before the value. The order status settings depend on your store setup. The plugin defaults are the same as the OpenCart defaults, but you can adjust them based on your own requirements. There are also visual options under the Appearance tab. You can change the payment method title, add checkout instructions, and enable or disable gateway logos or payment logos after the title. Okay, now I've saved the settings. The plugin is ready, so let's see it in action. I'll open the store page and add a product to the cart. Then I'll continue to the checkout page. Here you can see the payment method we configured. After continuing to the Confirm Order tab, customers will see the description and a short payment guide. When they click Continue Payment, they'll be redirected to the allpays.co payment page to complete their payment securely. After the payment is completed successfully, the order appears in the admin dashboard on the Orders page. When you open the order details, you'll see an allpays.co tab where you can check payment details. Your customer can also see the payment status in order history, along with a notice to avoid repeated payments for the same order. Blockchain confirmations can take around 5 to 10 minutes. After confirmation, the customer will see the updated status in order history, and in your admin dashboard, the order status will change to processing. That means the payout has arrived in your crypto wallet. In the same allpays.co tab, you can also see the transaction ID and the crypto network used for the payout. And that's it. It's really easy to start accepting payments in just a few minutes with allpays.co on your OpenCart store. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about allpays.co. Thanks for watching, and see you again.